Yes, people, welcome to a video about how to fix Instagram story music when it's not working. Can be very annoyed, and well, I'm gonna show you how to fix it, and we do it together. And this is an example account. I don't use it anymore, so this is perfect for you to see how we can fix it. Well, if you have problems with making your stories, then you might want to have a story. I make a story, not now, and want to add music, and you can't add music right here because there is any copyright things are going on. Well, we're gonna fix it, and we have to discard this. I'm closing this, and you go to the three lines right at the top. Then you choose settings at the top, and then you have to choose preferences. And if you see preferences, there are a lot of things, but you can see down there, I can switch to professional account, and if you can fix it, you have to switch to personal account. So you can try to do that at the first step. Well, the second step is go to update your Instagram app. What we have to do, we go over to the App Store and we search for Instagram. So we go for Instagram, it's already here. And if you see at Instagram, you can see update, and you have to tap on update, and that might work as well. Well, if that doesn't work, the last thing you can try to do is to delete and reinstall your Instagram app. And hope you can fix it in these ways. And let me down in the comments below if you can fix it, and share your experience how you fixed it. Yes, that would be very helpful for others who have this problem. Thank you for watching. I hope I helped you. Subscribe my channel, like this video, and I hope to see you with the next problem. Thank you. Bye bye.